Here's another Tormek tip. We've had a few calls from customers who've had difficulty getting the easy lock nut on and off to change wheels on their Tormek. Before you go running for pliers, keep in mind that this is really a very straightforward, toolless operation. You'll notice that the easy lock nut is marked with arrows for both lock and unlock. The hand on each wheel, turn the grindstone in the unlock direction. You can remove the easy lock nut. When putting it back on, turn the grindstone in the lock direction until it stops. And when you turn the machine on, it will automatically tighten itself to the proper torque. See our website, sharpeningsupplies.com, for more tips.